Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, a family of bears lived in a cottage in the forest. Father Bear had a deep, growly voice. Mother Bear had a warm, soft voice, and Baby Bear had a high, squeaky voice. One morning the bears went out for a walk. A few minutes later a little girl came along. Her name was Goldilocks because she had bright yellow hair. When she saw that the cottage door was not quite closed, she pushed it open and went inside. After her walk in the woods, Goldilocks was hungry, so she looked around for something to eat. On the kitchen table she spotted 3 bowls of porridge. She went straight to the biggest bowl, picked up Father Bear's large spoon, and took a mouthful. "Ouch!" cried Goldilocks. "Much too hot!" She picked up Mother Bear's medium-sized spoon and tasted her porridge. "Ooh, much too sweet," she said. Last of all, she tried Baby Bear's porridge. Now Goldilocks didn't say a word. She was much too busy eating. When she was full, Goldilocks wandered into the living room. She saw 3 chairs, one large, one medium-sized, and one tiny. Goldilocks climbed on the huge armchair in the corner. Ow! It was much too hard. She leapt down and went over to the middle-sized chair. Goldilocks hauled herself and nearly disappeared. The chair was so soft she almost sank beneath the cushions. Goldilocks scrambled out and headed for the smallest chair of all. It looked perfect. She plunked herself down on it. Crack! Boom! Ouch! Suddenly Goldilocks felt very tired. She spotted some stairs in the corner of the room and went over to them. At the top of the stairs she found a bedroom with 3 beds. Goldilocks tested the largest. "Ouch! Too hard!" she cried. She jumped onto the middle-sized bed. "Oof! Too soft!" she groaned. The smallest bed stood under the window. Goldilocks lay down on it. Ah, perfect! In a second she was fast asleep. While Goldilocks slept, the 3 bears came back from their walk. "Someone's been eating my porridge," Father Bear growled. "Someone's been eating my porridge," said Mother Bear. "Someone's been eating my porridge," cried Baby Bear, "and they've eaten it all up." Father Bear strode into the living room. "Someone's been sitting in my chair," he muttered. "Someone's been sitting in my chair too," said Mother Bear. "Oh!" wailed Baby Bear. "Someone's been sitting in my chair, and it's all broken." The bears went upstairs and into the bedroom. "Someone's been lying on my bed," said Father Bear. "And someone's been lying on my bed," said Mother Bear. "And someone's been lying on my bed," squeaked Baby Bear. "And she's still there." Just then Goldilocks woke up and saw the 3 bears. She gave a little scream, climbed up of the window, and ran home as fast as she could. The end.